Right, today what we're going to do is we're going to change this little bulb up here, and I'm going to change it for this one, which is an LED, a white LED. So we're going to get a better light and it's going to be a stronger light. I've already changed the headlight bulbs, so for the dipped, which was a H11, and for the main beam and driving, which was a H15, so they've already been changed. Now we just need to change this one here to this LED one, which is a W5W. Right, so first things first, we need to take this off, and the way to do that is there are a number of points on here, and if we just bring the camera over, you get the screwdriver and just pop it into there. That top comes up and you just lift it out like that, and then we'll do the same with the next one. Pop a screwdriver in. You might be better off with a wider bladed screwdriver, but it pops out like that even when you've got a broken wrist, and then you just lift it out and there it is. Right, so we've taken these two out. You shouldn't need any more out than that, and when you pull it back, this is the bulb here, and all you need to do is just get it, turn it anti-clockwise, and here presto, just pops out. And what we'll do is we'll get the bulb that we're replacing it with, pull that one out, so that's there, get the new LED one and pop that in. Right, before I put this back, I'm just going to check it because I believe that there's poles on it and it'll only work one particular way. So if we switch it on, we'll just see whether it lights up. Yeah, perfect. So now we just need to put that back. So again, just lift it up, pop that back into the hole, and then now you turn it clockwise. Right, so that's that side done. I'm just going to repeat the same on the other side, and then we'll take it from there. Right, so these bulbs that I've replaced are W5Ws, and for a company called Oxbeam. You get plenty in there. Now what I may do is I may try and get some even brighter ones in the future, but for the time being these are fantastic. They've done exactly what I want, which is change out the filament bulbs to LED bulbs, and all I'm going to do now is just secure this panel back down and we're done and dusted. There's no fault showing up on the screen inside, so we know that the canvas isn't being affected negatively by them, so it's a win-win.
And here are some before and afters. This is the filament bulb moving on to the LEDs when they've been replaced. There's another side shot, and it's not so much that they're necessarily brighter, it's just that it's more crisp white light, which makes them so much better.